Morning pickers. We are going to pick one storage box padlock. It's a very nice quality, quite hard. There's a protective rubber here on the shackle. The only problem is that you can decode it quite easy. It's a Mooncode, so that's the 1555 series. Very rigid looking, but as I said, with a filler gauge that is 0.15 millimeter or 6,000, you can decode it in just a few minutes. So you just put it on the side. Didn't need to do any modifications on the filler gauge, because if you watch closely, I can zoom a little bit. You just insert it on the side, you turn it, and then here we go. We found the first gate. So we turn then the next dial. Here we go. That's the next gate. Here we go, slide right in, and then here we go, that was the last gate. So now that we've found where they aligned the gates, so 7890, that's not the combination, but with a few turns, so 8, 9, 1, so 8, 9, 0, 1, not 9, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2, 3, and 4. Open. So just with a filler gauge, feel through the gates, and you can crack open this Mooncode key storage padlock. It's a very nice one, but if they could somehow shield the gates, would be nice. Well, thank you for watching, and keep it legal, guys. Cheers.